Open the ink door and lift the clamshell. Lift the door above the cutter assembly. There are 2 screws holding the Starwheel assembly in place. Carefully remove these 2 screws. The Starwheel assembly can now be removed. It is important to use a lint-free cloth to clean the Starwheel assembly. Do not use paper towels, as this can leave residue on the Starwheels. Wipe in the direction of the Starwheels only. Once cleaning is completed, reinstall the assembly with the 2 screws. With the Starwheel assembly removed, remove the 5 screws holding the top plate in place. Remove the top plate, being careful not to dislodge the existing springs and Starwheels. Insert the replacement spring and Starwheel into the missing location. Replace the top plate and install the 5 screws. Once in place, confirm all Starwheels turn freely. Reinstall the Starwheel assembly into the printer.